My dear students and parents, in this video we are going to learn finding the weight of the object on the surface of the moon. In the chapter gravitation, in the subject physics in science, to the 9th CBSE students. It is also very useful to 10th CBSE, plus 1 CBSE and plus 2 CBSE students because of the basic concepts I am going to say in this video. By God's grace, my educational videos are available in YouTube to 9th CBSE, 10th CBSE, plus 1 CBSE, plus 2 CBSE, NEET and IIT students in the subjects mathematics, physics, chemistry, zoology and botany in English language. What is the sum? An object weighs 10 Newton when measured on the surface of the earth. What would be its weight when measured on the surface of the moon? What is the given data? Only one data has been provided, that is the weight of the object on the surface of the earth has been supplied as 10 Newton. How can we find the weight of the object on the surface of the moon? We know that the weight of the object on the surface of the moon is 1/6 times of the weight of the object on the surface of the earth. So, if we multiply the weight of the object on the earth with 1/6, we can get the weight of the object on the surface of the moon, that is Wm. I would like to say, what is the difference between mass and weight? What is mass? Mass is the measure of inertia. The unit of the mass is kilogram. The mass will remain the same on the earth or on the moon or even in outer space. But weight is not same. It will be different at different places. What is weight? We know that the earth attracts everybody with a certain force. The weight is the force with which an object is attracted towards the earth, that is towards the center of the earth. The unit of the weight is Newton. Why the unit of the weight is Newton? We know that the unit of the force is Newton. Here the weight is also force, so that the unit of the weight is also described as Newton. Then we know that what is the formula for force? The formula for the force, that is capital F equal to mass into acceleration. Here the formula for the force equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. We are going to see the mass and the radius of the earth and the moon at a glance. The celestial body, mass, radius. What is the mass of the earth? The mass of the earth is 5.98 into 10 to the power of 24. What is the radius of the earth? The radius of the earth is 6.37 into 10 to the power of 6. What is the mass of the moon? The mass of the moon is 7.36 into 10 to the power of 22. What is the radius of the moon? The radius of the moon is 1.74 into 10 to the power of 6. We are going to see why the weight of the object on the surface of the moon is 1 by 6 times of the weight of the object on the surface of the earth. We know the universal law of gravitation. What is the universal law of gravitation? The force of attraction between two objects is directly proportional to the product of the masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. That is F equal to G into capital M into small m by capital R square. Here, in our case, we are taking the mass of the earth. What is G? G is the universal law constant. What is the value of universal law constant? The value of universal law constant is 6.673 into 10 to the power of minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. On seeing this table, we can understand that the mass of the earth is nearly 100 times mass of the moon. Here there is 10 to the power of 24. In the case of mass of the moon, it is 10 to the power of 22. What is the difference between these two? The difference between these two is 10 to the power of 2. I am explaining only approximately, not accurately. If you want to know the calculation accurately, you can see my separate video how the weight of the object on the surface of the moon is 1 by 6 times weight of the object on the surface of the earth. On comparing the radius, we understand that here also 10 to the power of 6, here also 10 to the power of 6. But the difference is 6.37 and 1.74. This 6.37 is 4 times of, that is nearly 4 times of this 1.74. Therefore, if we find the force, that is mass weight of the earth, 100 times of mass by 4 into 4 times of radius. What is 4 into 4? 16. If we divide 100 by 16, we will get 6 times. If we divide 10 Newton by 6, we will get 1.67 Newton. This 1.67 Newton is 1 by 6 times the weight of the object on the surface of the earth. That is, the weight of the object on the surface of the moon is 1.67 Newton. My dear students, if this video is really beneficial to you, you can share this video with your friends, relatives and classmates. You can also subscribe my channel.